Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Mazda 3 SP23 Sedan, stock reference number 4883. This shape runs from the 10th month 2003 through to the 4th month 2009. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, front bumper cover, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light. Left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has two small dents, left side skirt, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, left boot lid garnish, boot lid appears to have no damage, missing the spoiler, right hand tailgate boot lid garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior, black leather centre console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, interior mirror, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.